This blue Yamaha is a real beast. Check out that suspension. It's perfect for off-road. Ready for an adventure?
Where timeless machines meet modern confidence. Today we're diving deep into a name that echoes through motorcycling history with unmistakable attitude, the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a carefully revived legend, polished for today's riders who crave raw character, smooth power delivery, smart fuel efficiency, and a price that actually makes sense. The DT-2 175 arrives with classic soul and modern refinement, delivering a premium riding experience that feels effortless, stylish, and undeniably cool. The legacy reborn. The Yamaha DT lineage has always stood for freedom, durability, and go-anywhere confidence. The 2026 DT-2 175 respects that heritage while elevating it to modern expectations. Yamaha didn't chase unnecessary excess here, they focused on purity. Clean lines, purposeful proportions, and a balanced stance give the bike a quiet confidence. It feels lightweight yet solid, simple yet premium. This is a motorcycle designed for riders who appreciate history but live firmly in the present. Engine performance, smooth power with real character. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 sits a refined 175 cc engine engineered for smooth, responsive performance. Power delivery is clean and predictable, making the bike feel instantly approachable while still packing enough punch to keep things exciting. Throttle response is crisp, acceleration feels lively, and the engine maintains a calm, controlled demeanor even when pushed. This is the kind of power that works everywhere: urban streets, open back roads, and light off-road terrain. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it. The DT-2 175 delivers confidence through smoothness, not aggression, creating a ride that feels premium and refined from the first twist of the throttle. Ride quality, effortless and confident. The riding experience is where the DT-2 175 truly shines. Yamaha has tuned this bike for balance and control, resulting in a ride that feels planted, comfortable, and surprisingly elegant. Suspension tuning absorbs imperfections with ease, giving the bike a composed feel that elevates every mile. Handling is light and intuitive, allowing riders to move through traffic or carve relaxed curves without effort. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring quieter roads, the DT-2 175 delivers a sense of harmony between rider and machine that's rare at this level. Fuel efficiency, smart power, serious savings. Fuel efficiency is a major part of the DT-2 175's appeal. Yamaha has engineered this motorcycle to go farther on less, making it ideal for daily riding and long, relaxed journeys alike. The engine's efficient design ensures excellent mileage without sacrificing performance or ride quality. For riders who value smart ownership, this bike delivers real-world savings. Fewer fuel stops, lower running costs, and more time enjoying the ride. It's efficiency done the premium way. Design philosophy, classic confidence, modern taste. The design of the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 is a masterclass in restraint. Every element feels intentional. The silhouette pays homage to the original DT spirit while incorporating modern finishes and subtle refinements that elevate the overall presence. The bike looks confident without trying too hard. It feels authentic, stylish, and timeless, exactly what today's riders want. This is a motorcycle that fits seamlessly into a modern lifestyle while still standing out for those who know what they're looking at. Technology, simple, purposeful, effective. Yamaha understands that not every motorcycle needs overwhelming tech to feel premium. The DT-2 175 focuses on essentials that enhance the ride rather than distract from it. Everything works seamlessly, supporting the rider with reliability and ease. The result is a machine that feels modern and trustworthy without losing its mechanical soul. This balance between simplicity and sophistication is what makes the DT-2 175 so appealing. Comfort and ergonomics, built for real riders. Comfort is quietly excellent on the DT-2 175. The riding position is natural and relaxed, allowing long hours in the saddle without fatigue. Seat design, handlebar placement, and overall ergonomics are tuned for everyday usability, making the bike feel welcoming from the first ride. This is a motorcycle that adapts to you, not the other way around. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or exploring, the DT-2 175 remains comfortable, composed, and ready. Pricing, honest value with premium feel. One of the most compelling aspects of the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 is its pricing strategy. Yamaha delivers a motorcycle that feels refined and premium without pushing into unrealistic territory. The value proposition here is strong, solid engineering, iconic branding, efficient performance, and timeless design at a price that feels fair. This makes the DT-2 175 especially attractive for riders who want quality and character without overspending. It's a smart buy that rewards both heart and head. Daily usability, built for everyday freedom. The DT-2 175 isn't just a weekend machine, it's built for daily life. Lightweight construction, manageable power, excellent fuel economy, and reliable engineering make it easy to live with. It starts smoothly, rides confidently, and asks very little in return. This is the kind of motorcycle that becomes part of your routine and your identity. It's practical without being boring, stylish without being flashy. The emotional connection. What truly sets the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 apart is how it makes you feel. There's an honesty to this bike, a sense of freedom that's becoming rare in the modern motorcycle world. It reminds riders why they fell in love with riding in the first place: simple joy, smooth motion, and the road stretching ahead. It doesn't shout for attention, it quietly earns respect. Who this bike is for? The DT-2 175 is for riders who value balance. Those who want smooth engine performance, smart fuel savings, elegant design, and real-world usability. It's for people who appreciate heritage but demand modern reliability. Riders who prefer timeless style over trends. If you want a motorcycle that feels cool without trying, this one belongs on your shut list. Final verdict: a timeless ride, perfectly refined. The 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 proves that great motorcycles don't need to be complicated. With smooth engine performance, impressive fuel efficiency, fair pricing, and a design that blends heritage with modern elegance, this bike delivers a premium experience in the most effortless way possible. From city streets to open roads, from daily rides to quiet escapes, the DT-2 175 offers confidence, comfort, and character in equal measure. It's not just a revival, it's a statement. This is Yamaha reminding the world that true style never goes out of fashion.